Florence, I mean downtown is all like this because Florence was never modified it, so it's really much more medieval. Take a look of those wall here of this building. Most of the building around here, as they were built during the 14 and 1500, and someone was, it's also older, 1300. And they didn't change that much during the ages. Some, like this, is newer, because as I told you, in the different wars also where we had bombs, and so some building was rebuilt. But anyway, always in the classical style. We are in the fashion district. Attention, guys. Prada, Bulgari, another Prada. And
all
Gucci.
high end.
And building like this have dated 1300.
Wow.
So you can see those rings, for example, was to ropes the horses. Yeah, that was for the horses.
What are the rings for?
For the horses.
Oh.
Yeah. Big horses. Take a look of this side.
He's a monster.
A monster.
It's not a horse, it's a monster.
But it's lovely to take a walk when it doesn't rain in Florence.